Welcome, Dr. V. Reddy's Check and Improve Knowledge. There are 10 MCQs in this quiz. Please write these numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Then check your answers with the answers given. This basic knowledge is essential for all students, from 7th class to who are aspiring higher competitive exams. Please like, subscribe and share this to every student. 21. Wheels reduce friction by converting sliding motion into a different type of motion, which is always easier and involves the weakest type of friction. The resistive force that opposes the motion of an object, such as a wheel or ball, over a surface is D. Rolling friction. 22. This friction arises primarily from the deformation of both the object and the surface in the contact area. Contact points change continuously during motion, resulting in much lower resistance, typically 1/10 to 1/100th of sliding friction. This friction is A. Rolling. 23. Which of the following is an example of rolling friction? C. Car and bicycle tires roll on pavement. 24. It is the resistive force experienced by an object moving through air or liquid, caused by their viscosity and interactions between their layers or with the object's surface. It is called B. Fluid friction. 25. Which of the following forces due to rolling, static, sliding frictions are in increasing order? A. Rolling, sliding, static. 26. A book is lying at rest on a table. Which of the following forces are acting on it? C. Gravitational force and normal force. 27. Friction is A. Contact force. 28. Tires are traded to B. Increase friction. 29. Static friction is less than. D. None of the above. (30) The direction of frictional force on an object sliding down an inclined plane is. C. Up the incline. Short notes on 1. Rolling friction. 2. Fluid friction. 1. Rolling friction. The resistive force experienced when an object rolls over a surface, such as a wheel or ball. Key points are 1. It is much smaller than sliding friction. 2. It occurs during pure rolling without slipping. 3. Directly proportional to load. Higher weight increases friction. 4. Inversely proportional to radius. Larger wheels reduce friction. 5. Decreases with smoother surfaces. 6. Unlike sliding friction, rolling friction enables efficient motion with less energy loss. Examples are car tires rolling on a road surface, bicycle wheels moving over pavement, soccer ball rolling across grass after a kick. 2. Fluid friction. The resistance encountered by an object moving through a fluid like air or liquid. Key points are 1. It arises from interactions between the object's surface and fluid molecules, leading to energy dissipation. 2. Increases with larger contact area between object and fluid. 3. Proportional to speed. Faster motion heightens friction. 4. Higher for more viscous fluids. Examples are a swimmer pushing through water, an airplane during flight, honey flowing slowly from a spoon, stirring coffee with a spoon. For more quizzes on multiple topics, please like, subscribe and share this channel. Check and improve knowledge to every student. Thank you.